This is the waterfall on Poison Spider, and Steve is going to go up it. Here it is. I know it's a little shady, but I think you'll get the idea. Here he comes now. Right above this is where Steve Costello, I believe, had his first rollover. But it's all blocked off now and says no vehicles, etc. Okay, he's making this look incredibly easy, and I guess it is for our Jeep. So there he goes, up and over. Gorgeous day, and we've so far seen 2 hikers, and that's it. I'm not sure we're supposed to be out here by ourselves, but it's really nice. And up he goes to the next obstacle. Now I'm gonna have to walk up there. Yay. And he's going up and over. Doesn't our Jeep look awesome?